Hi class, welcome to Mrs. Stokes' handwriting lesson. This week our letter focus is for letters K, L, M, and N. And so I'm going to start with the letter K. For how we form the letter K, we start at the top, we do a straight line down, we frog jump to the middle, we kick up, we frog jump to the middle, and we kick down with a straight line. Notice how my K, it touches the top and it touches the bottom. For my little K, I start at the top, I do a straight line down, I find the middle spot between my bottom line and my middle line, I do a small kick up line and a small kick down line. And I like to use the word kick because kick starts with K, and that's also our signal, so it just reinforces the sound. Our next letter is the letter L. For the letter L, we start at the top, we do a straight line down with a big line, and then we keep our pen on the paper and we do a little line over. For the small L, we just do a straight line down. For our capital M, we do a straight line down, we frog jump to the top, little diagonal line down, little diagonal line up, and then a straight line down. So it's really important that on the capital M that they only lift their pencil once. So they lift their pencil once at this frog jump, and then the rest they keep their pencil on the paper. For the little M, we do a straight line down, we helicopter up, and we do a curve, and then helicopter up, and then another curvy line, and back up again. Okay? Last of all, for our N, we do a straight line down, we frog jump to the top, we do a diagonal line down and a straight line back up. And then for our little N, we do a straight line down, we helicopter up, and then we do a curve line. For our N, it's really important that they do that frog jump. Otherwise, you'll have them start at the top, and then they will make a backwards N. So just make sure that they do that really important frog jump on the N, and same with your M. So it's a straight line down, frog jump up to the top, and then diagonal down and a straight line back up. You can watch this video as many times as you need to make sure that you are forming your letters correctly. And remember, the key is to always start at the top, and then we move left to right, just how we read. I'm excited to see your handwriting. I hope that it's going well. Have a good week.